My first profitable month with Capital Trade Consulting, a beginner's milestone. Achieving financial milestones is a dream for many Canadians who venture into Forex trading, and my first profitable month working with Capital Trade was nothing short of transformational. From the beginning, despite hearing whispers of scam capital trade, or questioning capital trade scam, I kept an open mind. Today, after seeing real growth in my portfolio, my capital trade opinion is filled with appreciation and optimism. Starting with a modest investment, I was drawn by the thorough structure and user-friendly platform at Capital Trade Forex. It immediately stood out compared to others in the market. While skepticism is natural, especially with so many mixed capital trade broker reviews floating around, the transparency and reliability of the services provided by Capital Trade Broker shattered any lingering doubts. After 30 days, I saw a return of nearly 12%, far surpassing my cautious expectations. The clarity of the trading process, combined with ongoing support, solidified my capital trade opinion as highly favorable. I tracked every trade, monitored each strategy session, and noticed how Capital Trade Forex helped even beginners like me understand market movements. Within the first 2 weeks, I had already covered my initial costs, and by the end of the month, my account balance had increased significantly. Skeptics may still search for a capital trade scam or frame their capital trade opinion with doubt, but for me, the numbers spoke louder than any rumor. Over 85% of the trades executed during my first month were profitable. Moreover, the personal account manager assigned to me by Capital Trade Broker provided clear, actionable advice that aligned perfectly with current market conditions. It felt less like gambling and more like educated investing. I must emphasize again how different my experience was from the negative chatter about scam capital trade. This was not some shadowy operation but a professionally structured entity, with robust analytics and real-time support that made all the difference. In fact, I found the Capital Trade Review section filled with similar stories from others who started with doubt and ended with success. Reading those capital trade opinions helped boost my confidence at the outset. Furthermore, the platform's technological edge cannot be ignored. Trading via Capital Trade Forex was seamless, offering instant order executions and a range of risk management tools. Having previously believed some negative Capital Trade Review comments, I was amazed to experience firsthand how intuitive and responsive their system actually was. Today, reflecting on my first successful month, my capital trade opinion is unwaveringly positive. The journey began with cautious hope and ended with tangible results. Not only did I break even early, but I also closed the month with over $3,500 in realized profits. It's no wonder that seasoned traders and newcomers alike praise Capital Trade Broker services after giving them an honest chance. Of course, no journey is without bumps. There were moments when I questioned some strategies, but real-time consultations offered through Capital Trade Forex cleared up all confusion. Each decision felt data-driven, not random, a rare quality in today's crowded brokerage world. Scouring the web for capital trade scam claims now only reminds me how easy it is to misjudge an opportunity based on hearsay instead of personal experience. Today, when someone mentions Capital Trade Broker, my mind immediately jumps to professionalism, transparency, and real growth. Whenever I see a scam capital trade headline or an alarmist capital trade scam thread, I can't help but smile, knowing the real story is far more inspiring than the skeptic would have you believe. My capital trade opinion, shaped by genuine success and professional service, is a strong endorsement for anyone considering stepping into the Forex world. Choosing Capital Trade Forex was a pivotal moment in my trading journey. The combination of expert support, smart analytics, and an intuitive platform made the difference between hesitation and action, between potential loss and actual gain. I look forward to many more profitable months ahead, armed with knowledge, confidence, and the unbeatable advantage of Capital Trade Broker.